Hi cuties, good morning to all of you. Welcome to our Maths video class. So today we will revise whatever we have learnt as of now. Okay ma? In our previous video what we have revised? We have revised about the counting in twos, counting in tens, then what? In all, take away. We studied about that. Then we saw how to write the numbers from 1 to 100. Is it not? Today we will learn, at the beginning we will learn how to write the number name. Okay ma? Shall we see how to write the number name for the numbers 1 to 20? Shall we see it? Number names 1 to 20 we are going to write. Okay ma? So we start from 1 and we end with the number 20. In your exam you will get any 3 numbers or 5 numbers. You will not get in order. Okay, you will get in different order. You have to find out the number, then you have to remember the how to write the number name for the number. Okay ma, understood? Okay, what is this here? I have given in order, but in your exam you will get any 5 numbers or any 10 numbers. For those numbers you have to write the number names. Okay ma? Now we will revise. Okay, I will write on the board. You take your classwork note or rough note and you write on your own. If you know the answer, if you know the number name, you write on your own. I will write on my own, you write on your own. Okay, 1. How to write the number name for 1? O, first letter should be capital. Okay, O N E, O N E, 1. Okay ma? 2. How to write? T, first letter should be capital. T W O. Okay, 3. How to write the number name for the number 3? Number 3, T, first letter capital. T H R E, 3. Okay ma? 4, F O U R, 4. Okay, 5. F, capital F I V E, 5. Okay, now shall we go to the number 6? How to write? Very easy. Yes, capital I X. Okay ma? 7, yes, E V E N. Okay children, 8. How to write? E I G H T, E I G H T. Okay ma? Now we'll move on to number 9. How to write? N I N E, N I N E. Okay children, now our 10. T E N. Okay ma, very easy. T E N, 10. After 10 what will have? We will have our 11. Okay ma, we will have our 1 1 11. 1 1 11. E L E L E V E N. See children, here we have E in between every letter. E L, E V, E N. We have 3 E's in between every 3 letters, isn't it? So by this way you can remember the spelling for the number 11. Okay ma? E L E V E N. Okay, now we'll go to 12. 1 to 12. T W E L V E. See children, here you have E in between every 2 letters. Here you have 1 to 2 letters E. 2 letters E. Okay, by this you can remember the word for the number 12. Okay children, T W E L V E. Okay, now we'll move on to 13. 1 3. T H I R, T H I R, T E E N. Okay ma, this is a long word. Okay, T H I R, T E E N. Okay children, 14, 1 4 14. How to write? What is the number name for 4? F-O-U-R. You all know the number name for 4, isn't it? Just add T-E-E-N with that number 4. Okay children, got it? F-O-U-R, T-E-E-N. Understood ma? Very easy, no? Then go to your 15. 1 5 15. How to write? F I F T E E N. Okay ma? F I F T E E N. Okay children, understood? 11 to 15. Now what is the number that comes after 15? After 15 we have our 16. Okay children, 16. 1 6 16. How to write? Yes, what is the number name for 6? S-I-X. Is it not? Number name for 6 is 6, S-I-X. Add T-E-E-N with that. Very easy. 16. Okay, you are going to add just T-E-E-N. That's all. Okay. 17. What is the number name for 7? S-E-V-E-N. You already know. Okay. Just add T-E-E-N. Clear ma? Very easy, isn't it? 18. 18 also same. E-I-G-H-T. Here already we have T. So, E-E-E-N. E-E-N. Okay, sorry. E-E-N. Okay, 18. Understood ma? Then go to your 19. 1 9 19. How to write? N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E 9. Isn't it? T-E-E-N. Clear ma? Very easy. 19. So now our last number name 20. 20. 20. How to write? T W E N T Y. T W E N T Y. Okay ma? T W E N T Y. 20. Okay children, so from the number 1 to 20 you write in your homework notebook. Okay children, number 1 to 20 you write in your homework notebook one time. Homework one time. So you must write in your classwork notebook itself, you can write. Okay children? Children, will move on to our next revision. What we are going to revise is, we are going to revise before and after numbers. As we all know, we studied before numbers, after numbers and between numbers, isn't it? So now we are going to do the before and after numbers together. Okay, we learnt only the before number, only the after number, only the between numbers, isn't that? So now we are going to join before and after numbers together, and we are going to learn a new thing. Okay, this we already know, but we are joining the before and after numbers together and we are going to learn. Okay ma? This you may get in before and after numbers. Okay, what is this? You all know what is this? This is a number line. Shall we read the number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay ma? So you can extend the number line till the number 100 also, but here I have written only the number till the number 20. Okay ma? Now here what is the number given? Here some numbers are there in between. before and after I have given you dash. Dash means what? You have to give the number on the dash. Okay ma? 5. Before 5 I am having a dash. Okay, after 5 I am having a dash. Okay, how to find out? Where is the number 5 on the number line? Here. Is it not? Here is the number 5. What is the number before 5? Before means that number should come first. Okay, which is the number that comes first of 5? 4. Can you read it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are saying 4 before 5, isn't it? 5 before you have 4, is it not? So you have to write 4 here. Okay, 4, 5, 6. You have to read. Okay, you have to read the number, then you will say the number, just write the number on the dash. Okay ma, you have to read, you have to start reading from the number 1, then you will be able to find out. Understood ma? Now can we read it? 18. How to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 after you have 18. So what will come here? Here 17. Okay, 17, 18, then very good. You will get your 19. Clear ma all of you? Very good. Then now we'll move on to next one, 10. Shall we read it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you said before 10? 9. Is it not? So what will come before 10? 9. 9, 10, 11. Okay ma? Either you can read and find out the number, or you can draw the number line and find out the number. Understood ma? Either you draw the number line and find out the number, or you read it and find out the number. You draw the number line and find out the before and after number. Okay, 14. How to do? Where is the 14? Here. Which is the number before 14? For finding the before number, you have to go backward, I told you, is it not? So 13 is your before number, 15 is your after number. Understood ma? See the arrow, it goes here. Before it goes backward, after it goes forward. Okay, so here you will have 13, here you will have 15. Understood ma? Next you have 3. Before 3 you all know, very easy, 2. After 3 you have 4. Now shall we read all the 5 exercise? 4, 5, 6. Order. 17, 18, 19. Order. 9, 10, 11. Order. 13, 14, 15. You have order. 2, 3, 4. Order. Is it not? Okay ma. Very good. Children, now we will move on to our next level. Take away. Next concept is take away. Take away means what I told you in the previous video. Take away means you are subtracting. You are making less. You have big number. If you take away some number of objects, you will be having a less number of object. Is it not? So now we will see that with some examples. Okay ma? This is the first one. How to do? These are some balls. Okay? Some balls are there. I have striked some balls. Then what you have to do? You have to find out the number left. So we are going to find out how many are left. Okay ma? So shall we count the total number, then we will count the striked number, then we will find out the number of balls left. Okay ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 balls. How many balls striked? 1, 2. So from out of 6 balls I have striked 2 balls. So how many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay ma? So what I have written here? 2, taken away from 6 is what? 2 taken away from 6 is? How to do? 2 taken away from 6 is 4. Okay ma? Here you have to write 4. Understood children? 2 taken away from 6 you have 4. Okay ma? See the next one. How many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total balls are 5. Okay. How many I have struck? I have struck 3 balls. Okay. 1, 2, 3 balls struck off. Okay. So 3 balls taken away from 5 balls. What it will give? It will give 2 balls. So 3 taken away from 5 is 2. Shall we write? 3 taken away from 5 is 2. Okay ma, understood? Very easy, no? So you are subtracting. So now go on to the next one. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 balls. How many struck? 1, 2 balls. How many left? 1. Okay, so how to write? 2 taken away from 3 is 1. Do you understand? 2 balls taken away from 3 balls. How many left? 1. So you have to write 2 taken away from 3 is 1. Understood all of you? Now we'll move on to the last one. 1. See, total number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many struck off? Only 1. So how to write? 1 taken away from 4 is 3. See here, 1, 2, 3 balls are there left. So I am writing 3. Okay ma? So 2 taken away from 6 is 4. Okay. 3 taken away from 5 is 2. 2 taken away from 3 is 1. 1 taken away from 4 is 3. Understood all of you? All of you understood? This is the concept of take away. Take away means you have lots of, say for example, balls. Okay, you have lot of balls. From the balls, some balls are balls if you have taken away. How many will be left? See, you have 5 balls. Okay, I am taking out. In your basket you have 5 balls. Okay, I am taking out 2 balls. How to do? 2 balls, 1, 2. How many remaining? Remaining balls are called your take away. Okay ma? 1, 2, 3. So is this less or more? This is lesser than 5. Totally you had 5, but you have taken 2. So the number is becoming less. Okay ma, now understood? Understood all of you? This is called the takeaway concept or the method of subtraction. Okay ma children? Now children, we will do one more exercise with the concept takeaway. Okay ma? What we are going to do is, we are going to match. You all very much like matching, isn't it? So you will be having in your language. Like that we have in our maths also, we'll play a game with this match. Okay? By the concept of takeaway, you are going to match it. See here, I have given some stars. I am having some stars. Okay? I have struck some stars. With the left stars, I am going to match with the number. Okay? How many are left? We are going to match. Okay ma? Here 1, 2, 3. Here I have 4 question. Here I have 4 answers. We are going to match the number of stars, left stars with the number. Okay. Here how many stars are left? We are going to match. Okay ma? Here how many stars are left? We are going to match that number with that number. Okay ma? Here how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, totally 1 is struck. So how many remaining? How many are left? 1, 2. Okay ma? So our answer is 2. Where is the number 2 here? Here. So we are going to match the number 2. Understood children? Now shall we do the next one? How many stars totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that 5, how many striked off? 2. Okay ma? So how many remaining? 1, 2, 3. Is it not? So 2 taken away from 5, we get 3. Where is the number 3? Here. Okay children, interesting? Okay, last one, third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total. How many striked off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 taken away from 6. How many remaining? 1. Very good. So we are going to match 1. Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total. Okay, how many striked off? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 taken away from 7, we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear ma? Where is the number 4? Here. So we are matching. Okay children, understood all of you? Are you very clear with the concept of takeaway? In the next video we will learn about in all. Okay ma? Now we will see one more exercise with PPT, then we'll complete the session. Okay ma? Children, today now we will do one more exercise with takeaway concept. Okay ma? We will see colorful exercise. 2 exercise we will see and we will make the concept more clear. Okay children? See what is this? Yummy ice creams. You all like it? Very good. How many are there? First, when we are given some picture, we are going to count. Is it not? How many are in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many ice creams are there? 6 ice creams. Now we'll go to the question. This is the question. They have asked some question from us. Okay ma? Number 3 taken away from 6 is what they have given is we are going to strike off 3. Then we will see what will happen. Okay, that is how many are going to be left over. Shall we see it? So we are going to take 3 ice creams out, or we will strike the 3 ice creams. Okay ma? 1, 2, 3. I have struck 3 ice creams. So how many are left over? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. Okay children, 3 taken away from 6 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay ma? So 3 ice creams taken away from 6 ice creams, we get 3 ice creams. Shall we write it? Okay. Clear ma all of you? So 3 taken away from 6 is 3. Now shall we move on to our next exercise? What are these? These are green color leaves. Is it not? Shall we count the number of leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 7 leaves. Okay ma? Now we'll move on to our question. 6 taken away from 8 is dash. So totally we have 8 leaves. We are going to strike off 6 leaves. Then we will see what happened. Okay ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I had totally 8 leaves. I have striked off 6 leaves. How many are left over? 1, 2. Okay ma? So 6 taken away from 8 is 2. Okay ma? 6 taken away from 8 is 2. Shall we write it? 2. Understood ma all of you? So you are very clear with the concept of takeaway. Takeaway is also called subtraction. Subtraction means you are having, in the beginning you are having many objects. At the end you will remove some object and you will get less number of object. That is called your subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Okay ma? So we have come to the end of the session. Okay, today what all we have revised? We have revised the number names for the numbers 1 to 20. Is it not? Then we saw about the before and after numbers. Okay ma, you know how to write before and after numbers, or you will have missing numbers, like that you will have. Okay ma, missing numbers or before and after numbers writing. Okay ma, then what we have seen, we have seen about the take away or taken away concept. So today we have seen 3 concepts. Already we have seen the counting in twos, counting in tens, how to write the numbers 1 to 100. Then today we have learnt the number names, before after numbers, then take away. Are you all clear children? Are you all interested in this revision? Okay ma, so learn well, do your exams very well. Okay ma, so you have to write every day, you have to practice your numbers, your number names and these concepts. Okay ma, give some 3 or 4 examples and practice. Okay children, some of the concepts we learnt in our last video. Today also we will learn about our previous sessions. Okay ma, at first we will do the numbers, how to write the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, numbers 1 to 100. Shall we write? You also take your classwork or homework and write with me. Will you do? Take your classwork, your pencil, your workbook, everything, and be ready. I will write myself, you start writing yourself. Okay children, shall we start? Okay, start. 1, 2, either you carry on this way or you start writing this way. Anything is right. Okay, you write this sleeping line method or straight line method. Okay ma, I am following this method, you follow any method. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. Then after 10 what will come? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, then 2, 0, 20. Okay children, now after 20 what will come? 2, 1, 21. Okay ma, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. For all the numbers we are saying 20, 20 like that. Okay, 25. Then 26, 27, 28, 29. After 29 what will come? Very good. 3, 0, 30. Okay children. Then after 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, okay children, 36, 37, 38, 39. After 39 what will come? Very good, 40. After 3, 4. After 3 you have 4. So after 9 you have 0. 4, 0, 40. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, okay ma, 46, 47, 48, 49, then 50. So we finished half numbers. Okay, after 50 what will come? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then after what? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay, ma? Then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, ma? Children, these numbers we have learnt already. So, I am showing you how to write. You also try to write on yourself. Okay, ma? Don't copy. You try to write on your own. Okay? After 80, what will come? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, ma? After 90, what will come? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Then what's our last number? 100, 100. Okay, children, we have written the numbers 1 to 100. Okay, ma? In these numbers, we will be able to circle the counting in twos. What are the numbers? Counting in twos? 2, 4, 6. Like that, you can circle all the counting in two numbers. Okay, ma? Counting twos numbers, you can circle in these numbers. Okay, ma? That is your exercise. You have to do as your homework. Okay, from out of these 100 numbers, you try to circle the counting twos numbers. Okay, what are the numbers you will get in counting in twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on, isn't it? So you start circle, you start putting circle in these numbers. Okay, ma? That is your homework for today. So first write your numbers 1 to 100, then circle the counting two numbers. Okay, ma? We will just circle the counting tens numbers. What are the numbers you will get when you count in tens? Count in tens. What are the numbers? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. These are the numbers we get when we count in tens. Okay, children, these are the numbers we get when we count in tens. Okay, children, now you understand how to write the numbers 1 to 100. Then do you understand how to write the numbers when we count in twos and when we count in tens? Now we will move on to the next lesson. Okay, ma? Now we will do the concept of addition. Addition means what I told you? Addition means joining two numbers, mixing two numbers or adding two numbers. Okay, ma? So we will do an exercise showing the addition. Okay, ma? Can we read the question? How many are there in all? How many are there in all? In all means what? We have to count all the objects and find out the total number. In all means total. Okay, ma? Here you have 2 fingers. Okay, here you have 3 fingers. Okay, children, can you tell me how many fingers are open? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally I am having 5 fingers open. Okay, ma? Like the same way we are going to do the addition. Can you see this? What is this? This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Okay, children, shall we do? What are these? These are leaves. These are also leaves. Some leaves this side, some leaves this side. They are asking us to find out the total number of leaves. Okay, ma? Shall we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 5 leaves. Okay, shall we read this side? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 5, here you have 4. Now we are going to find out the total number of leaves in all. Okay, shall we read it? We are going to read we are going to read this leaves and keep counting these leaves. Okay ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have 9 leaves in all. So I have written 9 here. Understood my children, all of you? Now we'll move on to the next one. Here some oranges are there. Here some oranges. Okay children, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this side we have 4. This side 1, 2. This side you have 2. Okay ma? Shall we count in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay children. So you have 6. So how to read it? 4 and 2 will give you 6. Shall we say it in another way? 4 and 2 more is 6. Okay ma? Either you can say 4 and 2 will give you 6 or 4 and more 2 will give you 6. Okay? 4 and 2 more is 6. Okay ma children? Now we'll move on to the last one. How many balloons this side and how many balloons are that side? Shall we read it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side we have 7 balloons. How many this side? This side we have only 1 balloon. Okay. Now shall we count the number of balloons in all? Shall we do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep counting 8. Okay ma? So how to say this? 7 and 1 will give you 8 in all. Okay? Or in other ways, how to say that? 7 and 1 more is 8. 7 and 1 more is 8. Okay ma? Always more refers to the total. Okay ma? More refers to addition. Okay children? Less refers to subtraction. Okay children? That you don't have to follow. This one, do you understand? Are you interested? Will you all follow this? Okay ma? So like this you have some more examples in your notebook and find out the answer for that. Okay? In our last video we saw about takeaway, and in this video we have seen about the addition or in all. Okay ma? Do you all follow? Will you all practice at home in your rough notebook? Very good children. Okay children, now we will do the counting. Okay children, as usual we are going to complete the track. That means what? We are going to fill in the missing numbers. Okay ma? Shall we do the first one? Here 2. Here we have 10. Here we have 18. So what are we going to do? We are going to do the counting in twos. Okay ma? Counting in twos. Twos counting. Shall we do 2? After 2 what will come? 4. After 4, 6, 8, then 10 has come, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. I have completed till 20. Okay ma? Like this you have to get practice. Okay children, this is the counting in twos numbers. Okay. Now what is this? We'll move on to the next one. Here we have 10. Here we have 80. Here we have 90. So what is this question? This question is counting in tens. Okay ma? By seeing the question we can able to identify the question. Okay ma? Here we have 10, 60, 90. So it should be the counting in tens. Okay children? So 10. After 10 what is the next number counting in tens? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is there, 70, 80, 90 is there and 100. Okay children? So this also you need to get practice. Okay ma? You can either write this way or you can write in straight way. This is sleeping way, this is straight way, standing way. Okay ma, so you can either practice in sleeping way or you practice in straight way. Okay ma, so till now we have learnt what all we have learnt today. We have learnt about the numbers 1 to 100, then we saw how to add two numbers or join two numbers, then we saw about the counting in twos and counting in tens. So children, we get practice with these concepts. Okay ma, in our last video also we saw some concepts, this video also we saw some concepts. So please get practice with all these concepts and be thorough with the maths. Okay children, it will be very easy for you to face your exam. Okay children, so kindly do your exams very well. Have a great day. Thank you ma.